Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Forerunner 620, and we are standing at some park in Rosemont, Illinois, and I wanted to show you something here. Yep, that's right. What you're looking at right now is a Thorguardian lightning warning system, and as you notice here, the horn is placed lower, the sensor up there is placed higher, and the strobe is placed on that pole. Now this is interesting because I've never seen a Thorguard laid out like this. I mean, normally when you see a Thorguard, the strobe is usually attached to the horn and the sensor is placed on the other side, or the other time the sensor can be separate from the horn. However a building or park sets it up. And it's also even weirder than the way Fremd High School is set up, because the strobe and the horn are attached separate to each other. So yeah, I've never seen a setup of a Thorguard like that. How interesting is that? Wow.
Especially on a pole.
Yeah, especially on a pole. And down here is a lightning warning. Here's some information about what you should do when there is an actual storm. So if you want to read that, pause the video now. And we're moving on. So yeah guys, that's the reason why I wanted to make this video. Just to show how goofy this setup looks. I don't know if there are any other setups that are like this, but this is the first time I've ever seen a setup like this. So yeah. And over here, for us siren fans, is a Whelen WPS 2910. So yeah. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.